no click, no crank. If you ever get into a situation where you get a no click, no crank, no start, one temporary way to start your truck is you got to do this. Leave the key on. Do the key on. Then you need to get one of these. And then you need to get one of these or something like it. So it will help you start the truck. You gotta open the hood. Hood. And then that's the starter right there. Where is that? See right there. Then you gotta put the metal part on the negative and the positive and the negative, and then to crank it. But first you got to spray. Here, use this, and stick it in there. If I can do it right. Yeah, basically you gotta step at the top and the bottom right there for it to start.